Sounds like somebody's getting robbed. Or forgot to close the garage door or something, an alarm's going off. Don't tell me I left that light on all night. For 2 days now. Oh, what a mess, 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 what a mess. Mixing pot. What the hell? Mixing bottle. I don't know. I must have been mixing something. Ooh, shoot fire. That might be a big rag right there. Them's dirty. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? How you mama and them? Whew, what a mess. You see the mess? Are you even still messy from... We'll clean you up. After the oil change and debacle, and you'll see it. Hey, welcome Blue Bite Noise Channel for our first road adventure of 2025. Quick overnight trip. Was going to be a 2 days, but we're just going to cut it short to 1 day, and because it's going to rain. We don't want to get wet. We that kind of riders. Believe me, it's not fun riding in the rain. People say, well, yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. But I don't like it. Don't mean I want to go out when it's raining and ride out all day in the rain. It's just because I want to ride a motorcycle. I never run that intro. I'm going to get in something started and I don't know what. Ooh, where we going? Where we going? Whee! I didn't. Yeah, well, it's Adventure Riders. Ooh, look at this. Well, the sun's done up. It's 8:18. I think sunrise is like 7:30 or so. I snapped this picture. Okay, so let's see what we got to do today. Nothing. We got to do whatever we want to. That's the fun about riding motorcycles. No plan. Well, we do got a plan. I did a lot of that. It says it's 50 degrees July to June. No. Jumping ahead. It ain't for March. I almost said May. March the 28th. Yeah, Friday. Was gonna do, like I said, gonna do a long weekend, or a 2-day road trip. But that's not gonna happen because it's gonna rain, but it ain't gonna rain till late Saturday evening, so we'll be back home by then. And yeah. Oh, am I forgetting something? Hey, your mama now. So we got like 36 miles to get to where we going. To our first, well, it won't be our first stop. Might be our second or third stop, depending on the gas situation. We got 3/4 of a tank of fun in the tank. Fun happenings juice. Fun juice. That could be totally something different in there. And we got gasoline, petrol. 93 dead dinosaur juice. Anyway. We'll see you down the road. Don't need you recording. It's all the same. We take 4 lanes up to Rome, I guess, and then from there, I don't know what we're gonna do. Shoved up through Chadsworth, and then 225 through Chadsworth, and stop at Jackson eat, or get some fuel somewhere along in there. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. All right. Biscuit acquired. Biscuit devoured. Anyway, I eat the biscuit, man. I eat the biscuit. Devoured, whatever. And they need a new flag on the city of Eaton. We in Eaton. I thought it was in Chatsworth. Well, we in Eaton. E-T-O-N. Eaton. But they need a new flag, don't you think? That's disgraceful. The city of Eaton needs a new flag. They need to take up a donation. Oh, they do. It's called taxes. Well, look at here. We almost in Rocky Talk. I don't know why I did Woody Woodpecker. That there we are. Tennessee state line. Good old Rocky Talk. Rocky Talk down the sea. Yeah, buddy. Now you gonna work. Hey, we made it up here in Delano. They right up here is where we got to turn at. Yep. It says sweet cheese and winery. Fudge packet, sweet water cheese. Oh, okay. Look at the pretty driveway. Let me turn you around here. Yeah, it was pretty. There's a purple tree back there. We got white trees and old Bradford pear trees. I was calling them Bradfords, what they called. Custom baskets and gourmet foods. We turning the right one? Yeah, there it is. It says winery. Parking for the winery. And custom baskets and whatnots. Savannah Oaks. We've been here before. We was going to GAMM. So we came back. Since we up this way. Alright, leaving this proof. Savannah, boy, they got some good wine in there. Good sweet wine. They was out of a strawberry. That's when we was coming for, because they had the best strawberry. Which their blueberry and blackberry is real good. So, we're gonna head over to the fields and the woods. I don't know which way we're gonna go. Let's see. Head over to the fields and the woods. Yeah, I like that. That tree, the purplish tree flowers. You see the doggy there? He wants to race. Where you go? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Whee! Hey, good boy. Big hole there. You get the gas station, you meet Cobb County, and you meet all kinds of people. They was from Cobb County. Oh, look there, it's a train depot. Got a caboose. It's pretty neat. I wonder if they got a museum in there. Head of wall, L&N. Hey, we might come over and ride the train. There was a Hiawatha train that takes 4.5 hours loop or something like that, or 8-hour loop around the mountains. Looks like it'd be a pretty good fun deal. Oh, where am I going? I'm supposed to turn somewhere up here. Oh, right up here. Next red light. Nope, next one. Alright, well, we fixing to hit this that Tennessee 310 up here and check it out. It's supposed to be a halfway decent. Any road up here in the mountains is a fun road. Trucks use left lane. Okay, well, I'm not a truck today. Waymaker, keeper, promise keeper. My God, that is who you are. Okay. Oh, we getting into some curves. The road's not that good as far as smoothness, but it's not bad. Makes up for it for the scenery. There's a creek right over there. Yep. See it down there? That's a creek. And Don't look at the water. You get, there's a sofa. Somebody lost their sofa. There's something, see, this road right here kind of reminds me of something up there in Virginia, but something about Virginia is more greener, which this is early in the year, but still. Yeah, this we on County Road, or 68, Tennessee 68, yep. Been a nice little road right here. If you notice the big orange skillet, yep, that was a roadside attraction, but we didn't stop there because it was just a skillet. Let's see if we can see the Hiwassee. That's not it right there. That's just a ditch. But the Hiwassee River right there, oh no, that wasn't it either. That's still a ditch. Well, that's supposed to be the Hiwassee. I don't see nothing. Huh, it's on over there, I can't see it. I thought it'd be bigger. This, well, I mean, look on the map thingy and then look over there and I'm disappointed. This car is, I don't know, look like Tennessee tag, but man, they've been doing 30 miles an hour. There's the Hiwassee again. I can sightsee better than you can, sightsee and still not drive 30 miles an hour. That boat pulling a trailer, the truck pulling a boat past them. There's Hiwassee. More of them adventure bikers. Goat wings, ain't they? No, whatever they are. Well, we still behind this car. Yeah, Lord. We ain't got but 3 more miles, but here we go. We fix to be in another state. Guess the state. Beer. No, ain't that again? No. Thirsty turtle. Right up here, North Carolina. We've been in 3 states today. Woohoo! 3 states in 3 hours. Well, let's see if this lady takes a left turn right up here. So we gonna turn right up here. The fields and the woods. Nope, she's going straight. Good deal. Fields of the woods. I was saying in the woods, but it's of the woods. Wood. Field of the wood. Field of the wood. Field of the wood. It's a free park. That's one way, do not enter. Okay. You got a baptizing pool and all like that, and prayer of the mountains. You can go up through there and read all the prayers, or you walk up and read the 10 Commandments. Ten Commandment Mountain. Hey Yar, how you doing? It has warmed up. It's be like cloudy today, but it ain't. 77.9 degrees. Let's call it 78. How about we call it 78? So we up here at the fields in the woods, as I said when we come in. There's your 10 Commandments. Don't cost nothing to come up here and look at it and read it and walk up the mountain and all like that. And do what you have and up and down. And you can go up here and walk up the prayer garden steps or something like that, what they call it. Prayer mountain. You can say prayers as you're going up it and coming down it. So we're going to head back towards down the Blue Ridge, which is a little ways down the road. I don't know exactly. But you can see summer's here. Beep, 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 beep. Fields of the Wood. I think it was Mr. Wood that built the place. That's why it's called Field of the Wood. I guess. I don't know. So we hit here half in Tennessee and half in Georgia. McCall, McClare. That's where the choo-choo train stops. Yep. I think we're going to stop and eat too. I don't see the choo-choo train, so that means town ain't crowded. Yeah, right. It's a pretty weekend. Buck Mulberry. You go, man. Copper here, Tennessee, and then there's a state line. It's just like the town runs up between the two state lines. Well, we found the cryptid rolling with T-Bone. The cryptid legend, rolling with T-Bone. T-Bone. Whew, that was a good pizza, man. Alright, we're coming up on the Big Sky Inn. Yep, the Big Sky Inn Motel. Big Blue Sky. What am I saying? Big. Blue. Blue, blue, blue. What's that gravel? Dusty. It's a motel, no-tail motel. Well, look, they full. Saving you money, 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 money. Here's what the room looks like. Not too bad. Bleachy smell, but we might live. Alright, y'all can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you later.